In this video, I will show you how to create a Kotlin project or how to convert an already Java created project into Kotlin. So the first thing, whenever you create a project, you can choose the language Java or Kotlin from creating the new project, and whenever you click on the finish, so your project will be created. To show you how to convert Java file to Kotlin, I will create first the Java file. So hello Java. Now I will make some code or a function to convert that to Kotlin. After the code, if you wanted to convert it to Kotlin, so right click on the file and click convert Java to Kotlin file. So this can convert it to Kotlin. If Kotlin is not imported to project, so then create a fragment, a blank fragment in the Kotlin. This will work for you.